Welcome to Big Truck Time.
Trucks are big. Trucks are heavy. Trucks are not gymnasts. Or at least that's what logic says. Then you see a pickup soar 379 feet through the air, or a semi-truck balance on two wheels like it's auditioning for America's Got Talent. Suddenly, physics feels like a suggestion, not a rule. This is the story of 13 truck stunts so outrageous, so jaw-dropping that you'll question reality. Each one is real, each one is hilarious, terrifying, and inspiring all at once. And along the way, you'll pick up lessons about storytelling, because these stunts are masterclasses in hooks, pacing, and payoff. Let's roll. 1. The pickup that thought it was a plane. In 2016, Bryce Mennies climbed into his pickup with one mission: make it fly farther than any pickup ever had. He lined up with the ramp, floored the gas, and the truck soared into the air, clearing 379.4 feet longer than a football field and a half. Trucks are supposed to haul groceries, not mimic Boeing. But this one did. For a few breathtaking seconds, it wasn't a pickup. It was a missile. A steel-bodied dream proving even the heaviest things can sometimes outsmart gravity. 2. The semi-truck that became a tightrope walker. Marco Davide Gioni saw more than just a delivery rig. He saw a circus act. His dream? To drive a semi on two wheels through a gap just 12 feet 5 inches wide. His first two attempts failed, but on the third, the truck tilted like a skyscraper, wobbled, and somehow slid through without a scratch. When he climbed out, exhausted, he admitted, "My hand feels weak." Ours did too. It wasn't just a stunt. It was a tightrope act on tires. 3. The monster truck that broke the speed limit. Monster trucks are designed to crush cars, flip around, and roar at family-friendly shows. They are not meant to chase Ferraris on the freeway. But in 2020, Bryce Kenny had other ideas. He set the record for the fastest monster truck ever, hitting a ridiculous 100.31 miles per hour. Imagine sitting in your sedan, sipping your coffee, when a 12-foot-tall truck with tires bigger than your dining room table blasts past you. Your brain wouldn't know whether to laugh, scream, or just pull over and reevaluate your life choices. The sheer absurdity of it makes the feat both terrifying and hilarious. Trucks aren't supposed to hit triple digits. And yet, here was a monster truck rewriting the rules of speed. 4. The handstand truck. Tom Meents doesn't just drive trucks, he makes them dance. One of his signature tricks is the nose wheelie, or stoppie, where a truck balances on its front wheels and rolls forward like a gymnast doing a handstand. Meents managed to hold his truck on its nose for an astonishing 209 feet. Picture it, a 15,000-pound vehicle gliding forward while the audience held its breath. Some laughed in disbelief. Others screamed in excitement. It was absurd, it was brilliant, and it proved even the heaviest machines can show off a little grace. 5. The donut buffet. Bari Musawir turned the humble donut into an Olympic event. He didn't just spin, he set world records with 44 donuts in 1 minute, and another with 58 consecutive spins. The tires screamed, the engine howled, and smoke filled the arena as the truck spun like a caffeinated ballerina. Musawir was dizzy, the crowd was dizzy, and physics itself begged for mercy. If monster trucks had a bakery, this guy would be the head pastry chef. Spin something enough times at the right speed, and it stops being boring. It becomes comedy and history. 6. The truck jumping other trucks. Adam Anderson wanted to prove that one truck could fly over many. He drove his Megalodon monster truck down the runway, hit the ramp, and soared over 8 trucks lined up bumper to bumper. It looked like a scene out of an action movie. One truck airborne, soaring over a fleet of others as if mocking them for staying grounded. The crowd roared as Anderson's truck cleared the final vehicle and landed hard but safe. If stunts could be memes, this one was pure truckception. One truck flying over 8 others? Ridiculous. Impossible. Spectacular. 7. The Queen of Air. Kristen Anderson, daughter of Gravedigger's founder, proved that truck stunts aren't just for the guys. She piloted her monster truck off a ramp and soared into the record books, reaching a height of 33.8 feet. That's 3 stories higher than many apartment buildings. For a moment, her truck wasn't a truck at all. It was a rocket. The audience gasped as it hung in the sky, screamed as it began to descend, and exploded with cheers when it landed. People even joked that NASA must have been secretly involved. Anderson didn't just continue a legacy, she redefined it. 8. The backflip that made history. Monster trucks weren't designed to flip backward, but Tom Meents thought otherwise. He was the first to test a monster truck backflip. The attempt worked, but it was Cam McQueen who made history by landing the first backflip in competition. Think about that for a second. A vehicle weighing more than many small houses rotated backward in midair, landed perfectly, and drove away as if nothing had happened. The crowd erupted into chaos, half in disbelief, half in celebration. Trucks aren't supposed to do gymnastics, but in this moment, they did. 9. The front flip. Nobody saw coming. If backflips were shocking, front flips were madness. In 2017, Lee O'Donnell stunned the world when his mad scientist truck hit a ramp, launched forward, and flipped front first before landing perfectly on all 4 wheels. How was it even possible? Torque, ramp design, perfect momentum. Wired later dissected the stunt, breaking down the angular momentum and tire spin that made it work. But in the moment, nobody was thinking about physics. They were too busy screaming, laughing, and shouting the only analysis that mattered. What just happened? 10. The barrel roll from a madman. Adrian Wildman Cheney is the kind of driver who treats impossible like a personal insult. He spent years attempting one trick, a 360-degree barrel roll in a truck. He crashed, he failed, he broke parts, but eventually he nailed it. The truck launched sideways, spun like a corkscrew, completed a full rotation, and landed flat to flat. The crowd lost it. Cheney just grinned like a kid who'd finally shown the teacher he could draw outside the lines. For him, physics wasn't a barrier. It was just another toy. 11. The fence climb accident. Sometimes the best stunts aren't planned. During a race, Adrian Cheney accidentally rode his truck up the catch fencing. Instead of crashing, the truck climbed 25 feet up the wall, drove along it for 100 feet, and then dropped back onto the track while still in the lead. The crowd went from panic to laughter to awe in 30 seconds flat. Cheney had turned what could have been a disaster into one of the most unforgettable moments in truck racing history. Mistakes, it turns out, can make the best stories. 12. Pastrana and the Fountain of Doom. Travis Pastrana doesn't do normal. In 2018, he decided to pay tribute to Evel Knievel by recreating some of his legendary jumps. First came the cars, then the buses, and finally, Caesar's Palace Fountain in Las Vegas. The distance? 149 feet. The risk? Beyond insane. Pastrana soared across the fountain, landed hard, and immediately grinned like a kid on Christmas morning. Evel Knievel had crashed on his famous attempt decades earlier. Pastrana didn't just land it, he rewrote history. He wasn't just defying physics. He was writing poetry with gasoline, courage, and a dash of madness. 13. The secret ingredient. Behind all these wild stunts lies the quiet co-star, physics. Wheelies work because torque lifts the front wheels. Flips succeed because of angular momentum and carefully engineered ramps. Tires grip at the perfect moment, and every record-breaking jump or spin is part science, part courage, and part comedy. Wired later explained how Lee O'Donnell's front flip worked rear wheels spinning in midair created just enough rotation for the truck to somersault forward. But here's the truth. In the moment, none of that matters. The audience isn't thinking about vectors, they're too busy screaming, laughing, filming, and turning the story into legend. The emotional ride. Think back over these stunts. At first you're curious. Can a truck really do that? Then comes the suspense. Will it land? The release is pure awe. And the finale, whether it's laughter, inspiration, or disbelief, sticks with you. That's the same emotional arc that great stories follow. Hook your audience, build the tension, deliver the twist, leave them buzzing. That's what these drivers teach us, whether they know it or not. Trucks aren't just defying physics, they're showing us how to tell unforgettable stories. And that's it, 13 insane truck stunts that laughed in the face of physics and left us all speechless. If you had fun on this wild ride, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next story that makes you say, "No way that really happened?" Drop a comment below what's the craziest stunt you've ever seen, or which one here blew your mind the most.